Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Safira Aulia. I'm class 3E and study number 123503079. Here, I will translate a novel by George Orwell titled Animal Farms. I have translated one paragraph from English into Indonesian using a specific technique or method to make the translation accurate and natural. Now, let's look at the source language and the target language that I have translated. Bahasa sasaran ke bahasa sumber ke bahasa sasaran. Okay, now let's look at the search language and the target language that I have translation. Okay. Animal Farm by George Orwell, Chapter 1. In the text, as soon as the bedroom light went out, there was a commotion and a flurry of activity throughout the farm buildings. Word had spread during the day that old Mayor, the prize middleweight bird, had had a strange dream the previous night and wanted to share it with the other animals. It had been agreed that they would all meet in the big barn as soon as Mr. Jonas was safely out of the way. Old Mayor thought he was always called that. His exhibition name was Willingdon's Beauty, was so highly regarded of the farms that everyone was eager to lose an hour of sleep to hear what he had to say. Okay, in the text, component sentence, compound sentence, simple sentence, and last complex sentence. In sentence 1, compound sentence requires translation that maintains the connection between clauses without disrupting the flow of the narrative. For example, in sentence 1, okay, as soon as the bedroom light went out. In Indonesian, begitu lampu kamar tidur padam. And next, there was a commotion and flurry of activity throughout the farm buildings. Terdengar in Indonesian, terdengar kegaduhan dan keributan di seluruh bangunan peternakan. In English, okay, tips: use punctuation like comments or semicolons were necessary to maintain readability. In translate English to Indonesian, for technique or method combined translation. And next, in sentence 2, simple sentence, ensure that the subject and predicate remain clearly visible. Use the literal translation method to maintain clarity of meaning. Text in English. Word had spread during the day that old Mayor, the prize middleweight bird, had had a strange dream the previous night and wanted to share it with the other animals. In literal translation, metode literal translation in Indonesian is kabar telah menyebar sepanjang hari bahwa Old Mayor, babi Middle White yang menjadi juara, telah mengalami mimpi aneh malam sebelumnya dan ingin membagikannya kepada hewan-hewan lain. Tips: keep it simple, use general terms, avoid adding interpretation that are not in the text. And last in the text is a complex sentence. Complex sentence require careful attention to subordinate and main clause. Translate the subordinate clause carefully to ensure it remain relevant. Example in the text, George Orwell titled Animal Farm. In version English, complex sentence is it had been agreed that they would all meet in the big barns as soon as Mr. Jonas was safely out of the way. For translation in English, method combination, telah disepakati bahwa mereka semua akan berkumpul di lumbung besar segera setelah Tuan Jonas tidak ada di sekitar. And last, for second complex sentence, Old Mayor Tughes was always called that. His exhibition name was Willingdon Beauty, was so highly regarded on the farm that everyone was eager to lose an hour of sleep to hear what he had to say. In English, in Indonesian method combined, Old Mayor, meskipun ia selalu dipanggil begitu, nama pemerannya adalah Willingdon Beauty. Beauty itu Willingdon cantik. Sangat dihormati di peternakan sehingga semua orang rela kehilangan 1 jam tidur untuk mendengarkan apa yang ingin ia sampaikan. And enough. Thank you for watching and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.